What's up guys, and welcome to my channel, and once again we are playing Survive the Danger episode 4. I think, yeah, episode 4. And guys, if you're wondering why there's a huge hole in front of my house and my house don't have walls in it, well, I was just standing here, minding my own business. I was just gonna make my house bigger, and then I just stand here, and then I just go into my other phone because I wanna edit some stuffs that I filmed. And then when I came back, there was a creeper and blow me up. I died, definitely. I was shocked because there's something like a bomb blown up, and when I came back, I was dead. And yeah, that definitely happens. And anyways, let's resume to this video. So if you haven't seen my last episode, go check that out. So yeah, okay, I'm a little bit lagging, I'm sorry. So the first thing should we do is probably fill this up. But before we do that, I'm gonna tell, wait, oh yeah, I forgot. No, my door is blown up. Well, anyways, we can make that, a lot of them. Okay, so if you're wondering why I was not filming and stuff like that, because there was school, and who don't want to go to school? Well, I'm not that kind of person. So I go to school and I don't have time to film, so it's a week, and I'm not busy much, so I wanted to film for you guys. Yay! Okay, it's been 1 minute and still okay. Also, while I was gone, I was going out mining because I want you guys to see me with resources. So this is what I've got. It took me a while to gather this stuff. I have 1 emerald, 28 diamonds, 63 iron ingots, and 18 golds. It was pretty easy to find iron ingot because it was everywhere. Also gold. There was a lot of gold, but I don't like gold. But I just gather some little. Okay. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what the heck? Sorry about that. I'm lagging. Like, literally, look at me. Okay, anyways. I also found 28 diamonds. Like, literally. Oh, my gosh. Okay, I just realized it right now. But I also found 28 diamonds. I've traveled a long way to get diamonds because, yeah. But through that traveling, I only get 28. It's okay. I also don't have, oh yeah, my crafting table blowed up by the creeper. Stupid creeper. How dare you? You didn't build this house. It's not your responsibility to okay, never mind. It's part of the game. Why am I being mad? So I just want to put this in the inventory because what if it's blown up and poof, gone. I'm just gonna put this here. So I'm just glad that when the creeper blowed up my house, it didn't blow up my chest. Okay, anyways, it's been 3 minutes and I'm still okay. I am really not good at this. So anyways, let's see. So guys, what I want to do in this first episode is fourth episode is to make my house bigger. But first, let's check my garden. My farm garden. Ooh, my carrot's grown. And there's more here. So I also make another one here. Just because I just wanted to, Okay. I just grown. I should go feed my sheeps around here. Yeah, and also got a llama from the desert somewhere. I don't know. So got two good though. Okay, never mind. I also go to the swamp. I found a swamp and I found a slime and I have a weed. Probably, okay. Okay, never. So I'm just gonna get back and fix this up so we can start it. So we can start to make my house. Okay, I'm back. So while I was fixing the the ground, I just started to do the platform because yeah. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, we should do okay, it's noon. Okay, it's night and let's sleep. Okay. Morning. Okay, now I should do the platform. I'm just gonna get something what I'm gonna do, an idea and stuff like that, and I'm gonna be right back. BRB. So this is what I've came with. It's just too simple and stuff. I wanted to do like, wait, oh no, no. Like I wanted to do a second floor above it, and I trying, so yeah, oops. Like do this tile. So what I want to put down here is gonna be my storage room and my bedroom, and up here is probably the kitchen and stuff like that. And I'm gonna put the ladder here because I don't have enough space for the stairs, so I'm just gonna put a ladder instead. So I'm gonna be right back because I should finish this, and also grab some glass over there. I gather sands. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back and it's gonna be finished, I guess. So yeah, BRB. So guys, this is what I've made so far. I've made the top, and it actually took me a while. It's in our country right now, it's noon, and so yeah, I'm just that's what I got so far, you know. Like I should get some resources because it took me a lot of wood to build this. Like I should also build some stuff in here, and also I've got some few trees of mine. Like there was a few saplings here because I've been cutting trees. So yeah. So I'm gonna be right back because like I've been saying BRB, the meaning, if you don't know what the meaning of BRB is, it's be right back. BRB, be right back. So I'm gonna be right back, so because I wanna finish this because I'm really tired, and when I'm done filming this, I'm probably gonna sleep. So yeah, BRB. Okay guys, I finally finished it. It took me hours to build the roof because I got a little bit confused, but now I got the roof and I got it get going, so I finally finished it. Yay, I finally finished it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you all ready to see it? In 3, 2, 1, and ta-da! Oh, I forgot to get rid of it. Okay. Let's fix. Let's fix this. Okay, there we go. Oh no! Oh shit! I really don't. Okay. Okay, there we go. Finished. I gathered all of the dirt. So yeah. Now now what I want you guys to see is I'm gonna give you a tour. Yay! Okay, you already saw the bottom, so let's go to the top. It's very simple on the top, like oh, I forgot. Forgot to put some. There we go. So yeah, this is it. I put a little bit bumpy here because wait, there's some missing blocks, but okay, so that's why there's bumpy there, because if I put some chest here and the floor was flat up there, the chest won't open, so I just put it like that. So yeah, there we go. We finally finished my house. So I also remembered I have my I built another crafting table. It's at the roof because I got lazy to go back to the entrance because I already have a crafting table, but I got lazy to get that, so I just built another one on the roof. Because I wanted to get over it because I'm really tired. I'm exhausted. I thought making a roof was super easy, but it was really not. I swear. It's making a roof. It's okay. Never mind. So okay, that's gonna be it for this episode, I guess. So I'm gonna end it here. But first, let me clear my inventory. This is literally a mess. Like, wow. I should eat an apple first. I have 3 apples, and then my hunger bar is very low. Okay, now I'm ready. So yeah, that's gonna be it in this episode. Please give this a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to click that notification bell to never miss an upload. And also, don't forget to comment down below what do you think about my house. Is it okay? So yeah, comment it down below because I wanted to see what's your reaction. I mean, yeah. So bye.